Digital metrology's always been committed to helping you see and explore your surfaces. And while seeing your data takes you well beyond the numbers, a surface you can hold in your hand is maybe the most helpful visual aid of all. With OmniSurf 3D, you can easily generate STL files to 3D print your surfaces. Here's the data I want to print. I've already applied the leveling and filtering settings. I can choose from any of the surface view options, like pre-processed or filtered. The data I see will be the data I print. Now I'll choose 3D Print from the File menu. From here, I can scale the data vertically and laterally, and I can add a base thickness to make the sample more robust. The plot shows me exactly what will be in the STL file and printed. If the file is too large for some printers, I can desample the data to reduce the file size. I'll add a label to emboss into the back of the sample. Now I choose where to save the file and click Yes to create the file. And just like that, I have a model that I can drag into my 3D printing software. When the STL is created, I also get a text file that shows me printing settings like scaling, so I'll know later exactly what I made. I can also save the settings to an XML file, then drag and drop the XML or text file onto the window to set up another print just like this one. Want to know more about how to see, print, and understand your surfaces? Contact Digital Metrology today.